Welcome back to the Chanel Motorhouse. Today, we're reviewing the highly anticipated 2025 Volvo Motorhome. This luxury home on wheels combines Volvo's legendary engineering with the comfort of a mobile getaway. Let's dive in. Car details. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome is the ultimate road trip companion, blending Scandinavian design with top-tier technology. With a turbocharged engine, sleek lines, and cutting-edge features, it offers the best of both worlds, power and comfort. Whether you're hitting the open road or exploring remote landscapes, this motorhome is built to impress. Exterior. On the outside, this Volvo stands out with a bold yet elegant design. The front grille features a modern, sculpted look, paired with sleek LED headlights for a futuristic vibe. The aerodynamic body reduces drag, improving fuel efficiency, while the massive windows offer panoramic views wherever you park. Interior. Step inside, and it feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. The cabin boasts high-quality materials, from leather seating to wooden accents. The living space is open and spacious, with a fully equipped kitchen, a cozy lounge area, and even a luxury bathroom with a shower. You'll find a full-sized bed that promises restful nights, and with smart tech integrated throughout, adjusting climate or lighting is a breeze. Comfort level. When it comes to comfort, the Volvo Motorhome truly excels. The seats are ergonomic and adjustable, making long drives a breeze. Plus, the air suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on bumpy roads. Whether you're parked at a campsite or cruising along the highway, you'll always feel at ease in this rolling sanctuary. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Powered by a robust turbocharged engine, it delivers plenty of torque for effortless acceleration. The all-wheel drive system gives you confidence in various driving conditions. Whether you're navigating mountain passes or coastal roads, it's a solid performer that balances power and efficiency. Conclusion. To sum up, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is a game-changer in the RV world. With its stylish design, luxurious interior, unmatched comfort, and stellar performance, it's the perfect vehicle for those who want to travel in style. If you're looking to elevate your road trips, this is the motorhome to consider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.